Well, happy Sunday, everyone. The sun has set on yet another nice day across the area. It started off on a cold note once again, but this afternoon, that sunshine, a light southerly wind really helped to boost those temperatures. And I saw a lot of folks out and about downtown and at some of the parks as well, trying to enjoy some of that nice weather after a very cold Christmas day across the region. Take a look at the temperatures now, already beginning to drop back now that the sun has set. We're down into the low to mid 40s in the mountains and mid to upper 40s across the upstate and northeast Georgia. These temperatures will continue to drop off as we go throughout the evening, but we're going to have a few little clouds trying to sneak in later on this evening, so that will help level off the temperature drop this evening. As well as notice, temperatures are not going to be as cool as what we saw on our Saturday evening, so we'll go from the low 40s down into the 30s as we go throughout the evening, but I think we mainly stay above freezing until later on tonight. Still, we will have another freeze area-wide as we get towards your early Monday morning, with lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s pretty much area-wide. Again, some of these scattered clouds moving in will help kind of keep the temperatures fairly uniform as we go throughout tomorrow morning. So we've got a warming trend headed our way, and we're going to see that warmer weather building in. The cold weather we have out there for tonight will go away as high pressure slides in from the west, and that will return that southerly flow across the area. That means sunshine and warmer temperatures, not just for our Monday, but right on into our Tuesday as well. So if you want some of the warmer weather, you've not been a fan of all this very cold weather, don't worry. This forecast the next couple of days, well, it's just for you. But if you like the cooler weather, don't worry, because I got a little bit more of a taste of that coming back with us by the middle of the week. We're talking about the wedge, you know, that cold air damming situation where this area of high pressure, it's going to slide in that prime position to our north and west, and it's going to tap into that very cold air out of Canada. And you can see that little tongue of cold air that just stretches back down through the western Carolinas and right into northeast Georgia. So our temperatures will be much cooler by about 10 to 15 degrees from our Tuesday to our Wednesday. And along with that wedge, we'll have more clouds in place and even a chance of a few light rain showers. Any rain that we see on your Wednesday will be light, as again, we get that little southerly fetch beginning to start to develop across the area. Now, our big storm system, that's the thing I want you to really focus on, and it's going to arrive just in time for New Year's. We're talking New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, and you can see this big area of low pressure is going to start to spin up along the Arklatex. Lots of showers and even some thunderstorms will develop ahead of this system. On the backside, there'll be some snow. But I think the track of this system has shifted well off to the north today, so that means that any winter weather will stay well to the north and west of us. We're talking going places like Dallas to Oklahoma City. Ahead of that, though, what we're going to worry about as we ring in the new year, a good chance of showers and thunderstorms building in, and that will continue into at least the first half of the first day of 2021. So it looks like a wet and potentially stormy start to the new year across the area, not a wintry one. Take a look at some of the future rainfall totals Wednesday through Friday. We're talking about potential heavy rain all across the southeast, but in our area, we could easily pick up a couple of inches of rainfall with this system. So New Year's Eve and New Year's Day are impact days for the periods of heavy rain that will be likely Thursday into Friday, 2 to 3 inches, possibly some isolated higher totals. And yes, we could even see some isolated storms with breezy conditions. So we're going to have to monitor this dynamic system very closely. In the near term, though, warmer temperatures the next couple of days with sunshine, then that wedge on Wednesday, and then there you see it, the impact days for Thursday into Friday as heavy rain and even potentially some storms into Friday morning.